this is Fran with Stampendous, and this display board features our mail art series, and these are clear sets that can be used to decorate the entire front of your card or simply to decorate the envelope itself and personalize it. And they all have a frame so that you can add a postage stamp right there. So this is the card and there's an envelope to match. And down here you can see this set here has those same designs on an envelope. And so there's a lot of fun little postage related images in each of the sets. And the other one, these are all winter and holiday themes, and there's also a fall themed one as well.